This is Travis Collins at Tools by Design, and this is Weekend Review.
We try on a SawShoe, stare Medusa in the eye, and Bosch smooths it all over.
I have no idea what that means.
It means it's Friday, May 25th.
Let's get to this week's headlines.
Attention! Starting this month, DeWALT is hosting in-store challenges at retail locations around the country to raise awareness for the Join the Salute campaign in an effort to honor veterans and support partners including Flags of Valor and the Wounded Warrior Project. If you benefit from the sacrifices of our armed forces, which you do, then head to jointhesalute.com and get involved.
Speaking of DeWALT, their new 20-volt compact inflator is expected to start shipping in July. We heard it first from Travis at Tools by Design on Instagram. This inflator has all the features you'd expect, but in addition, it also has a deflator mode that quickly deflates air mattresses, bounce houses, and enormous inflatable unicorns.
Two highly anticipated saws from Skilsaw are now available. The Medusa, a 7-inch concrete saw with a walk-behind model, and the Super SawSquatch, a 16 5/16 inch worm drive saw for timber. We recently pointed you to a great review of the Super SawSquatch by Michael Springer over at Tools of the Trade. We asked him what he thought of the new Medusa, but he didn't seem to quite have an opinion.
The new Bosch Palm Edge router is now available to order in North America. Weighing in at only 2.2 pounds, this Edge router includes a constant speed feature that keeps the speed constant, no matter what. Constantly.
You know what they say, if the shoe fits, it'll cut perfectly at a 90-degree angle. A new product called the SawShoe launched this week at SawShoe.com. The SawShoe saves time on the job by ensuring perfect 90-degree cuts into concrete pavers, natural stone, and more. There are multiple models designed to fit steel, Makita, Husqvarna, and Dolmar saws. Additionally, the SawShoe's design supports the saw, reducing arm fatigue over time. Of course, that's only a problem if you don't come to work with the big guns.
This year, we've reported on a number of new battery updates from around the world of power tools. It's getting pretty hard to keep everything straight, but fortunately, Brian at WorkshopAddict.com released a new video this week where he digs into each battery platform and identifies their features and benefits. It's a great watch if you're planning to extend or replace your current system. But if you're already sunk into your savings for the FlexVolt, you're still welcome to trash Milwaukee in the comment section.
Speaking of batteries, the Power Tool Institute released a new campaign called Take Charge of Your Battery, proving that we're not the only ones pushing an agenda with terrible puns. It's an effort to encourage proper battery selection, usage, safety, and recycling. There's a great video on YouTube that overviews the campaign and visually illustrates the importance of using only brand name batteries in your equipment. Otherwise, you never know when your batteries could die.
All right, that's it for this week's headlines. But before we sign off, we wanted to share a great project that might inspire you in your workshop this weekend. David at Make Something on YouTube shared a fun DIY video showcasing his mid-century modern coat rack made with walnut, aluminum, and he walks through his entire process from 3D model to finished product in only 15 minutes, giving you everything you need to build your own. Well, besides the materials and the skill. You need the skill and a shop. Or maybe he'll just sell you the one that he made. I don't know. Enjoy your weekend.
All right, that's going to do it for us today. Thanks for tuning in.
Have you posted something great that the world needs to see? Let us know in the comments below so we can take a look.
And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook so you don't miss a single episode of your Cop Tool Weekend Review.
We'll see you guys next week.